So there's a lot of fish right in front of me rising. Got him. Kind of filming after everything happened. A different camera now. But I took out a brand new 8-weight reel, tested it out, do a little pocket fishing. That means only a puck of flies. What else did I have? Nippers, and I had my forceps. That's all we carried. I proceeded to catch 6 fish. 6 fish that day. And I only got one on camera before my camera died. So, enjoy the footage I did get. Okay, so we're testing out this brand new 8-weight, and you can see there's probably about 6 or 7 fish rising right there. So I just got this 8-weight. We only have a puck full of flies, some nippers, and our forceps. That's all we got with us today. Oh wow, I should pay attention. Just missed that one. So there's a lot of fish right in front of me rising. Got him. Got him. He's running. He's really running. Really running. And we got him. There's a decent sized fish too. Wow. Beautiful fish. Sorry you guys are staring at my crotch, but I can't get it out. Let me get this out. Got it out. Take a picture real quick. Okay. Now we're gonna release him. Oh wow, he swims off fast. Right back to that spot. Okay, so for today's breakdown, this is all we have. We got a puck full of flies, nippers, forceps, phone and car keys, obviously the camera. Really simple today. Not a bad little setup. Yep, and I just sucked all that line back up. I knew that was going to happen. Might got another one, might get another one. Oh, I got distracted by that one, and I missed the one that hit my fly. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, it's going to be right in front of that fish. You need to pay attention. Who's gonna hit my fly?